Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to zoom in and out of a Outlook email. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Format Text tab in the email that you are working in here. And you want to select the Zoom button over on the right side. Zoom to the level that's right for you. And they give you a few different predefined options here, whether you want to make it a little bit smaller, which would be 75%, or larger, 200%. So 200% is basically double the default zoom in rate. You can also do a custom percentage by just typing a number into this field, and then you would select OK. So this is what 200% would look like. Pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.